Hello and welcome. I'm Otis Landerholm. I'm the founding attorney here at Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. And today I want to tell you about a serious topic, all right? So in Mexico, in El Salvador, in Guatemala, in Honduras, in many countries, right, there is a level of violence that is horrific. And the truth is that there are drug cartels and there are other narco trafficking or not gangs that are seriously violent and that are wanting to harm many people. And there are lots of people that get caught up in this, all right? Some people have been caught up and might qualify for asylum, but some not. Some people might get caught up in this and qualify for what we call withholding of removal, and some not. Today, I want to talk about, okay, if you might not be eligible for asylum or withholding of removal, there's a type of kind of protection that is of a higher level, all right? And what we call it is protection under the Convention Against Torture. We call it CAT relief, all right? And I specifically use it in cases where we're fleeing cartels. That's where we see it the most. Because remember, for asylum, you've got to show that the persecution is on account of your race, or your religion, or your nationality, or your political opinion, or your membership in a particular social group, right? And sometimes showing that the cartels are targeting you for one of those reasons is not possible, which is why often you can't qualify for asylum, right, straight up. So one of the ways that we can get around that is by applying for CAT relief, which doesn't matter basically what the motive of the bad guys is. What matters with CAT is how severe it's going to be and what the evidence is, right? So with a CAT claim, we've got to show that it is more likely than not, which means that it is above a 50% chance of likelihood that you will be tortured, all right? Killed, tortured, raped, subject to severe mistreatment, right? And we've got to show that it's at the hands of a public official in your country directly or at the acquiescence of a public official, all right? So how do we really show that? Well, if we're in immigration court and we're showing a CAT claim, we've got to show, yes, that it's more likely than not that you'd be tortured at the hands of a public official. What we often need to do is we need to explain how you've suffered in the past, and then we often need to hire a country conditions expert. CAT claims are complicated, and we want to present it as best as we possibly can by having an expert. And if you can't get an expert witness to actually testify on the witness stand, at least have a report written up by an expert who's evaluated your case and who can explain how bad it is in your country and how the officials or how the government is turning a blind eye and acquiescing to the torture that really is happening in your community, all right? If you're facing that level of persecution, that level of violence in your home country, please contact an attorney who knows how to win CAT cases. Please contact our office if you don't have someone that fits that description. I'd love to help you through this process. It is not fun, it is not easy, and we need to take precautions to present it as strongly as possible to maximize your chances of success, okay? Thank you for watching this. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact my office. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. Thank you.